Hey there! Ever accidentally deleted a precious photo or an important document from your phone and felt that sinking feeling? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us, and there are definitely ways to get those files back. First, check your phone's recently deleted album or trash folder. Many apps, including your photo gallery and file manager, keep deleted items for a set period before permanently removing them. If they're still there, a simple restore is all you need. If they're not in the trash, don't panic. Many cloud backup services, like Google Photos, iCloud, or Dropbox, automatically back up your data. Log into your cloud account on a computer or another device, and you might find your deleted files waiting for you. For more stubborn cases, specialized data recovery software for phones can be a lifesaver. These programs scan your device's storage for remnants of deleted files. Just be sure to research reputable options and follow their instructions carefully. Remember, acting quickly often increases your chances of a successful recovery. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, consider following for more practical tech tips.